Well guys, as you can see, it has been raining here like crazy, okay? My chickens, the poor chickens, are the bedding in the chicken run is pretty muddy and they're just walking all over it. The eggs are always dirty, so I have to do something about this. During the summer it was pretty dry here. In fact, it's in the summer here in East Texas, it's very dry. It's so dry that we'll get 3 months or so of that we won't get any rain. We'll have cracks in the ground too because the ground starts separating. It's so dry. But now we're into fall and it's a whole different picture now. A whole different story. We're getting tons of rain. The ground is so saturated here that it's not being absorbed anymore. It's just sitting there at the top. In fact, walking on the grass is like walking on a wet sponge. So normally I would get my leaf vacuum and I would go around my property here and suck up all the leaves and put them in the chicken coop. But we're not that far into fall here in East Texas where we're losing all the leaves yet. Some leaves have fallen, but it's not enough, and plus they're wet, the ground is wet, and I won't be able to suck these up anyways with my leaf vacuum. So I have another option here. I have wood chips. My wood chips right over there, and I can use those wood chips for my chicken run. I was using that for my orchard to put around the trees, and I have enough to do the chicken run, I believe. Alright, so as you saw, those wood chips are way on the other side of my property. Normally I would just get the tractor, scoop it up, bring it over here, and I could just, you know, throw it in there with a pitchfork or something. But the ground is so wet here, if I bring my tractor on here, and if I bring it off my driveway and onto the grass, the tires will sink and I'll put trenches in all over the place, so I can't use my tractor. I have a zero turn where I can pull a little trailer around. I have a cart I can put it in. I'm going to try that route, but all you that have zero turns know how well they handle in the mud. Alright, they get stuck. So I'm going to try the zero turn. Hopefully it won't sink or get stuck. Otherwise I'll have to be pulling it out with my tractor. Alright guys, so let's see how this works. I haven't opened this gate here since I built it. So all the chickens have pushed all the leaf mulch out of here and built up on the outside of the door here. So it's easy enough to remove. Just put it over here for now. I do have some 1/2-inch hardware cloth all the way around the run here. I hope I can get it open. I'm gonna have to kick it out, I should say, from the inside. Boy, you chickies have a muddy mess here. Yeah, it sure is nasty. There we go. I'm getting there. He's very demanding. Whoa, is it muddy in here? Woo! Alright, we gotta clean this stuff out of the way. Go over there. Alright, chickies. All right, see if I can dump this right there.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright, this looks much better, and I think they're happy now. Not walking in that mud, getting their feet or claws, whatever you want to call them, wet and muddy. Yeah. Alrighty. I think they're gonna like this. Much better than walking in mud. I know I wouldn't like it. Last year I put a there we go. Last year I put, as I said, leaf mulch in here from leaves from around this area. It's a little early yet. Not many leaves have fallen, and it's too wet, like I said earlier. So the wood chips is the next best thing. That leaf mulch that I put in there, they lasted, I don't know, when did I get this thing done? Maybe 6-7 months, maybe. And by summertime, this was pretty much dirt here. So I put it in maybe November, December of last year. And it lasted until summer started, basically. And it was pretty much dirt here. It doesn't rain that much here in the summer, so it wasn't bad. But now that the rainy season's coming, or it started, it's bad, as you saw. So these wood chips have worked out really good for them. What I'm planning on doing is keep doing this maybe twice a year now, now that I realize it. Roughly twice a year, whether it's leaves or wood chips, until it builds up in here really good and it just turns into dirt. Then I'm going to take that, I don't know, 5-6 inches out of here and put it in my garden and fill more wood chips and leaf mulch in here and just start the whole process over again. So that's my plan, and this is the second time I put wood chips in here, and I'm guesstimating it's probably going to take another year or two for this to build up more, and I can start taking dirt out of here. And that is about it, guys. Alrighty, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would really appreciate it if you like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next video.